Brandon, I would love to know, what have you seen is the biggest advantage to having a thoughtfully designed CRM?
Yeah, really the biggest advantage is being able to keep track of all your important business contacts. Having a CRM, is really important because you're able to identify who those highly engaged business contacts are, whether they are a networking partner, a customer, or a prospect. One of the things that I do is I implement engagement scoring, and with the engagement scoring, you could see the scores of how active a person is. So therefore, you could prioritize who you're going to focus your efforts on, because the people that are highly engaging, if they're a networking partner, they're more likely to be good referral partners. And if they're a prospect, they're more likely to be a really good customer. So the CRM allows you to make data-driven decisions that allow you to continue to grow your business and identify the people that are going to help you to grow your business and create opportunities for you, therefore allowing your business to grow and thrive.
Oh, I love that. That sounds super helpful.
All right. What do I say to have an effective networking call?
Mm, That is a great question that I get a lot. The most effective networking calls have a framework to them. So you can start by giving a little bit of, letting the other person know, hey, here's what I want to learn about you today. I want to learn who you serve, how you serve them, and how I can refer you. I'd also love to know what helps make this call be a success for you or helps it be valuable to you. So giving even just that simple of a framework, like I want to learn about you, what else can I do? And then at the end, we can talk about ways we can support each other, whether that's following on social media, something like that. And it's one of the things that we're going over in a workshop coming up soon that I am doing with Brandon Drake, who's a CRM expert. And we are going to be talking about how you can document the answers to, the people they serve, how they serve them, and how you can refer them in a way where those one-to-ones become very effective in that you have more one-to-ones and get more referrals from people as well.